Hey man, I'm gonna show you my morning routine. And kasi ngayon, tatakbo ako ng AC5K. Kaya, gumising ako ng maaga. And I'm gonna upload 36 contents again today as usual. Kaya maaga ako gumising is para walang distraction sa paligid ko. Kasi kapag 7 AM ko ito ginawa, ayun, gising na lahat sa bahay. And I can't work kasi maingay na. But I can't do anything about it. So ako yung mag-a-adjust. It's 6 AM, bro. So what I usually do in my morning is I always look at my 2026 goals kasi it reminded me of my goals. Kapag I wake up tired, I wake up unmotivated, pagod ako. So this is my today's task. Actually pinlano ko na to kagabi. And kapag hindi mo pinaplano yung day mo, the night pa lang, pagising mo kinabukasan, sobrang sabog ng outcome ng araw mo sa totoo lang. Kaya it's important to plan your whole day out as always. So yeah, I need to shower first before creating 26 contents, and I'm gonna go AC5K run today. Okay, this is the biggest red flag that you should watch out for men and guys out there. Isa sa mga lalaki na kailangan mong iwasan is yung lalaki na walang accountability. Kaya magbabago na raw sila, ayusin na nila yung buhay nila. Bro, shut your fucking bitch ass up. If you're gonna make promises and you're not gonna stick to it, bro, that doesn't make you a real man. Ayan, kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng sarili ko, making 2 contents for this day, and it's already a win for this day. It's about red flags about men's. Kasi last week gumawa ko ng top 3 red flags that you should watch out for women's. Pero ngayon gumawa ko, which is the last part, top 3 red flags that you should watch out for men's. Black coffee as usual. Panis montage. Tropa ko sarap tulog eh. Yeah, gising ya. Yeah, gising ya. Yeah.
Nobody told you you are a star, so make sure. Even though it was 3 years, I didn't want to be.
It's 8 AM, bro. Dapat 7 AM. Nakalabas na ako. Pero kasi, I don't know, kinulang yung oras ko. Akala ko sapat na yung 30 minutes for editing. Kasi nag-crash out si CapCut. So, I need to adjust my time. Yeah. I was always like this, bro. Walking alone. Pero, it's not an issue naman. Kasi, I enjoy living in solitude and living alone. Kasi, that's where my peace at. I hate crowded places, sir. Maraming mga tao. I just really enjoy being alone as always and enjoying myself. Pero if you actually want to win your day, wake early as much as possible. Kasi nandun yung momentum of your day. If you can win your morning, you can win your whole fucking day. So wake up early as you can. It doesn't matter. You can win 5 AM, 6 AM, 7 AM. Ako gumigising ako between 6 to 7 AM. That's my sweet spot. And always do hard things early in your morning, so you can adopt on it. Okay, the reason why I'm documenting my life. Bakit ba ako nag-vlog? Kasi na-realize ko the importance of documenting my life. Kaya ako ito ginagawa. It's documenting my life until I become successful. Minsan, wala akong mapakita sa inyo or walang special sa araw ko. There's nothing special about my day. As usual, my morning routine, how I go to school, how I wake up early, how I do hard things early, what I do in the daily basis. Pero I still vlog it and document. Bro, I believe that you don't need to be perfect in order to start. Doon naman nagsimula lahat ng tao eh. And so I was also inspired by Iman Gaji. Nakita ko kasi yung mga lumang vlog niya when he was 17. And I'm 17 right now. And I just realized if he could make it, then I could make it too. Tsaka kasi, if you're documenting your life, tapos you're also building your own personal brand sa content creation, doon mo na-establish yung trust, credibility sa audience mo. Kasi, if you're preaching, let's say for example, you're preaching about waking up early, winning about your day, and hindi ka naman talaga gumigising ng umaga, you're not winning your day, and you're just trying to preach about all of those kind of fabulous things. Bro, paano maniniwala sa yung audience mo? How would you establish strong trust with your own audience? Kaya that's important na ipakita mo sa audience mo na ginagawa mo talaga yung sinasabi mo. You're actually doing what you're preaching. Kasi, paano mo ma-apply sa audience mo if hindi mo kaya apply sa sarili mo? Simulan mo sa sarili mo. If you really want to change your life, change your life first before you change other people's lives. Medyo mahirap tumakbo. Medyo mahirap mag-vlog pag tumatakbo kasi nakakangawit. 1K. Susi baka. You know the reason why we're always burnt out? It's because you always compare your life to other people. What you see on social media is full of fake people. So, I mean, hindi naman lahat. Pero they aren't what they portray themselves. Most of them has the biggest insecurities na hindi mo wala. Most of them were just faking their own progress or they're faking themselves. Kaya sometimes social media really ruin us so much. And that's true. Kaya nga, I stop consuming kasi all it does is overload your mind, spike up your dopamine, and if that happens, you will overthink so much and a lot. So stop consuming self-improvement videos, motivational content videos. Yeah, it gives you the dopamine. Pero iba yung dopamine boost at spike mo if you actually be in the real game itself. Like this. Stop watching about motivational content, self-improvement videos about running. Just run, bro. Nobody cares about your pace or how much you run. Never compare your life to other, bro. Kasi they may be in level 10 progress while ikaw nasa level 1 ka lang, 2 or 3 ka pa lang. So never compare your life to them. They may be grinding for decades or years or months. Mas nauna sila sa'yo and you're just starting. So don't expect improvements a lot. Early weeks, early months. Just commit into it. If you have goals, if you want to run like this, if you want to go to the gym, how's your New Year's resolution, or you want to change your life, fix your bad habits, stop your biases, just commit into it, bro. Stop planning so much. You're always gonna beat up those people that does nothing in their life. Bro, no matter how fucking you compare your life to other, if they're better, then who cares? No matter how much you compare your life, you always beat up people that does nothing in their life. And actually, you're blessed. Kasi if you can run, if you can breathe, if you have your own life right now, you should be thankful for who? On the Creator Himself. Kasi all of these things was from Him. We can't live through this life if we don't have Him. And that's my purpose in life. My life is on God. He's the purpose why I'm doing all these kind of things. To glorify Him, to serve Him, and to help other people get inspired. It's okay, I'm done, bro. I just realized that no one's coming to save you, bro. If you really want to work on your dreams, Just don't tell it to anybody. Just don't tell it to everyone, bro. Just work on it, commit into it, and work in the silence. If they don't know about any of your plans, they won't gonna destroy it. Because they don't even know about it. Not everyone will agree in your dreams, bro. Some of your friends that you thought are real ones will disagree to you, will mock at you, laugh at you, anything, bro. They will fucking disagree to you just because you have these visions in your head that you keep seeing. And you can't keep on seeing it, bro. Sometimes your parents, they will doubt you, bro. They will ask you if kaya mo ba or you're too young for that. Mas better to, mas better yan. And I understand them kasi they just want safety for us, bro. And you should understand it. And you should understand them too, bro. Even though minsan, yeah, their words are very hurtful. Pero I just accept it. What I think is I need to work on this until my results pay off, until progress compounds. Kasi if andun naman yung progress mo, bro, they will believe into you. 3 km done, bro. I still have 2 km left. The world is very peaceful, you know. If you're just walking like this, and this is cemetery. Yeah, that's the reality of life. Every each of us will die soon. So live your life how you wanted it to be. 4 km done, bro. Bumila ako Mountain Dew. Wala rin silang tubig eh. Wala rin 7-Eleven dito. So, I just bought this. We're done running 5K today. Hindi ko lang na-end yung Strava kasi nalaglag yung phone ko sa bangin. Tapos, nag-lock yung phone ko ng 8 minutes. Pero at 10 p.m., we're gonna go out again and we're going to school. So yun, after that 5K run, we're going with my classmates.
So first up, what exactly is sustainable consumption and production, or SCP for short?
Why is sustainable consumption and production important for our planet and community?
Maaari tayong gumawa ng pagpili ng mga kabuluhan tulad ng pagbili lamang ng kailangan. Kailangan natin magresiklo.
Go Kulalers! Ay, sorry. Go Kulalers! Banat.
Ako mag-off ng camera pag ganun natin.
Diba, di mga alas 12 tapos na to. Date nga lang ako, pero tapos agad tayo.
May side mirror pala ako patutungitin sa likod. Tignan mo ah.
Oo! Boy pa tayo, boy pa! Putang ina, Bray! Natatakot ako!
Ikaw, kumapit ka lang para malapit na tayo.
Ayun nga, ito.
May motorbike talaga. Ang sakit kayo tumitingin.
Wala, bawal yun. Isabit, huwag daw eh.
Wala sabihin mo ano yung sabi ko.
So, hello po, magandang umaga po. Ano po yung papel nyo, ano po yung responsibilidad nyo rito sa loob ng subdivision nyo sa Legion 1?
Okay, good morning. Ako si Romar de los Santos, Board of Director ng Legion 1 Subdivision. Bali, ang pinaka ano ko rito is committee ko ay grievance committee.
It's one thing to talk about SCP, but how do we actually know if we're making progress? What kind of measures or indicators do we use? Great question. Tracking progress is critical. There are key indicators that are used globally. We're gonna go home, bro. Grabe. That's a fucking tiring day. Gusto maya, alis pa kami mga tropa ko. Pero kasi, after doing the interview, medyo naano ako sa script kasi hindi ko hawak yung script and hindi ako yung gumawa nun. Pero pagdating ng script, ang tagal namin ginawa kasi it feels like we're a robot, bro. Pero it's okay kasi we're done naman na. Tawag ito. Huwag ka kulala, malas ka. Joke lang. Tara. SM lang ako.
Ingat. Happy birthday. Happy
Bago
advance.
Wednesday pa birthday ko.
Happy advance.
Okay. Ingat.
Bye.
Kaya na. Ugi. We're at the mall, bro. Gusto ko pa sana mag-mall. Kasi natamad ako. Gusto ko lang umuwi. I want to fucking rest, bro. Kasi bukas, school na naman. And you know what? I fucking hate school so much. Unti-unti na ako nagiging confident when it comes to vlogging. Dati kasi nahiya talaga ako pag nilalabas ko yung camera ko sa public. Pero, you know what? I don't fucking care. And people doesn't care too. And if people judge you, then ano naman mangyayari sa'yo, diba? Makakalimutan ka rin naman na in a few seconds, few days, few weeks. You're all gonna die soon, bro. So, just live your life how you wanted it to. Just enjoy your life and live your life fully. Isa sa mga natutunan ko when it comes to living this life for 17 fucking years is just be positive as always. You know, meron talagang magiging negative people around you. Babackstabbing ka, will hate you, mock you, laugh at you. Pero I want you to understand and realize that we don't have a full control over that. And like I said, you can't control those kind of peoples. Pero ang pwede mong gawin is just be positive. If someone's negative to you, too negative to you, just be positive, bro. Don't mind and you don't need to give a fuck about them so much. Yeah, I'm walking again, bro. Brr, 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 brr. Brr, 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 brr. Now, 3 days. Wala mo maglalakbay eh, no? BYD is cool, bro. Talk to my Jeep, man. We're safe, bro. Man, I just want to share yung badyo kanina. Okay, so yung jeepney driver, sinisigawan niya yung pumasok na badyo kasi perwisyo raw sila. Na dapat daw maghanap buhay sila kaysa mamalimos sila. I mean, the driver was right, bro. Pero kasi, I realized some of us are blessed by God. Kasi, some of us has the opportunity to live a life like this, you know? Nakakain tayo ng maayos sa araw-araw. We have a safe shelter and home. Samantalang sila, they're trying to survive every day. Namamalimos sila. They're trying to earn money through that. Kahit maliit lang. Basta may papangkain sila. And that's the sad truth of this life, man. Alam mo yung ibang mga tao na that has the opportunity sa buhay nila. Pero sinasayang pa rin nila. Yet those people every day trying to survive. Actually, bro, minsan, yeah, nakakatawa sila, the Bajau peoples. And hindi ko naman i-deny kasi when I was a kid, we used to make fun of them. Pero as I grow up, and I reflected through this life, life is very hard, bro. So we should be thankful and always practice act of gratitude every day, man. Nakakaawa sila sa totoo lang, bro. So magpapagupit ako ngayon. After 2 months of not getting a haircut, we're gonna have a haircut today. Sana di ako magbawang kulelat, no? Ayoko pumasok, birthday boy. Tapos ganun yung buhok ko, pero I'm gonna try may take for fate for today. Tapos bukasan ko yung bangs. Bunot na naman ako. Man, I don't think the haircut was too solid. Doesn't look good right now, pero yun sila natin pagawin. Yeah.
What this road looks like. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Man, I was so tired today. Puro gala. And gagala rin sana kami sa BGC or National Museum kasi hindi natuloy kasi my friend doesn't have any money and my other friend tinatamad. And I respect both their decisions kasi
Siyempre, nakakapagod din naman yung school. And, and lahat naman sa atin nagtitipid. So, I'm on the practical side and the enjoyment side. Pero bala ko sana gumala, pero gagala kami ng family ko ngayon. Mamaya, I just need 30 minutes of sleep, bro. Sobrang pagod ako. Fuck the shit.
Last batch na po kami. Nakapag-enroll.
Wala namang yung parang cut off na kung matuloy man yung transaction mo, solohin mo na. Para may sarili kang kita.
Haircut sucks today. Pero it's okay, man. Hairstrap malupit to.
Pang Steven,
Pang Steven, no? Pang Steven, no? Ba't di ako marunong Amit mabe. Love tayo loob, as usual.
Ay, Agi, meron ka mo dun sa sa time zone yung sinusuntok.
Suntokin natin, pa natin. Eh, time zone, di ba card yung ginagamit, eh?
Oo.
Eh, wala akong card ng time zone, eh. Kaya na.
Bahay pa na.
In Bermosa. What a nice view. How's the vibe, bro? Pwede naman mag-vlog siguro dito. Mga tropa. Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog! Hindi na makakanta nga pag ganun. Di ka tayo sitayin dito pag nakaganto ako? Hindi. Hindi yun. Umarang kiba sa akin. Umarang kiba. Hoy, ito marami. Kaya tayo kang anak, outfit check ko. Outfit check ko. Pakita mo ko ng skills, Jordan. Gago. Okay, so, sampulan natin sir, no? Sampulan natin. Ako, baka tumanga eh. Baka mapakita mo. Panis. Ay, sorry. Kuya. Dali mo.
Anong daming dala? Alam mo kung... Dogi na si Pog. Dogi na.
So ngayon guys, we're here at the Vermosa Launders. Wala talaga kaming pera, pero nandito kami. Tutok mo dun. Dub shampoo. Ito, pre, ito ang pinakapangarap ko sa lahat. Old Spice. Pwede pa naman mo yan?
Bago ka mo ng Old Spice.
Ako nasasarapan ako.
Yung Wolf. I mean, mabango siya, pero pang lolo.
Hindi, yung deodorant.
Yung deodorant. Yung body spray, gagi, may pang lolo.
Yung body spray naman eh. Kahit yung body spray na ako, sa'yo ako eh.
Oo, yun. Pagsuot mo na butas, no?
Actually bro, kaya kami nandito kasi hindi kayo makapag-celebrate ng Wednesday. Because that's my birthday, pero I have class and my parents has their job, they work. So, na kami mamili. Kaya na ba tayo?
Tapos na, pwede na ka mag-apply.
Good news, pwede na ako mag-apply ng bagger, certified ako. May potential ako pag nandun ako. Kaya na, ganun-ganun ko lang mga gamit dun. Kasi ang reklamo, pag lagay ka ng lagay, mabilis. Kasi yung customer, may bawal nag-vlog dito, pre, patayin natin.
Mag-vlog, punta ka sa order. Gumagana
Ano,
na
golem?
yung dating tinap.
Itong golem. Ikot. Bang.
Open. Mga pre, pagdating ko dyan, bubukas yan. Na magic ko. Boom! Panis! Meron na ng power sa lahat. Saan kaya tayo kakain? Pag there's a cool stuff here, man. Ninja Goose. Si Kai yan, si Kai. Ay, si Kai! Pre, si Kai, oh. Si Kai, pre. It's very peaceful here, bro. Like, ilang beses na ako rito, pero it's very peaceful. Not unlike BGC. BGC kasi masyadong crowded. I don't know. Sobrang crowded yung mga tao doon. Pero this place is very peaceful, man. I can vlog all day. I can walk here all day if I wanted to. Kaso, I have class, bro. I have class. Sobrang crowded pala rito na pag linggo. Kaso, di ba?
Kamo, kahit ano nga.
Di ba last time na nag-jogging tayo rito, linggo rin yung ano natin?
Maambo kasi maulang kasi.
Umulan kasi.
Paiba-iba yung style ng buko eh. Di kami nagkakasundo ng buko eh. Pag ako nagpariban.
Gago man, wag ka magpapariban. Anong ano to kainan to?
Lokan boy.
Anong kainan to? Shake. Hindi, overall na lang.
Lokan boy.
Paano kung
Lokan boy.
hindi tayo?
Saan tayo?
Lakad-lakad lang para mawala yung pulikat. Ano, sama ka, naka-vlog na tayo. Paano makakita doon? Saan mo nakita? Umikat ka? Nakita mo yung chat ko kay Ron?
Hindi ka naglakad.
Nakita mo yung chat ko kay Ron?
Nakapos ang gitna. Kala ko di sumilod eh.
Bigla sumusulpot eh, no? Kala mo ano eh.
Guys po eh. Kala mo yung PC eh.
Kala mo yung PC. Alam mo yung PC na nag-response sa laro siya yun eh.
Matin pa ako birthday yung putang ko.
Birthday yan, no? Tapos natin ng birthday yan, kakain ulit tayo.
Ganyan lang, ganitong buko.
Pakitaan natin ang socializing skills.
Pipili na lang yung mga mama pa eh, no?
Dapat ano ka, respectful way lang. Tapos sabihin mo for purposes lang.
Excuse me lagi.
For vlogging lang.
Okay, laging unang
Spaghetti. Biglang may extra eh, no? Alam mo, nasa pelikula. Ano masasabi mo sa bago kong gupit? Bagong gupit? 99 accuracy of... 99 accuracy.
Boss Oleg.
At talap.
Bata na to. Natanong na tayo dito, pre. Tayo dyan, pre.
O, banata mo. Gawa tayo, biggest prank.
Di mo ako bibigyan.
Okay. Ano?
Di mo ako bibigyan.
Hindi mahina pa meron eh. Ba't malakas?
Sigaw mo, Jack. Sigaw mo, Jack.
Di ba ako bibigyan? Parang ang hina naman. Ano? Ayaw mo bigyan? We're gonna find some food, bro. I think this isn't a good option. Do you see how peaceful the world is, bro? Like, every each of us has their own lives. And... just live peacefully, man. Check ko yung Anytime Fitness branch here. Wala lang, I just want to check. So, I'm at the restaurant. We're gonna eat today. 3 days pa yung... 3 araw pa yung birthday ko. Pero ngayon kami mag-celebrate kasi nga may pasok ako. Solve ako doon, nakasampung kanin ako. Ikaw nga. Wow. Mr. Landers, Vix, posing ka doon eh. Uwi na pala tayo.
Buwan man, trend.
Dami. Ano sila
Paano yung tawag dito?
Going home. Uy, rich boys. Rich boys, pare.
Sarap ng aking pagmamahalan. Kung sabi mo pa, pag-ibig mo'y walang hanggan.
Ano yan niya?
Shortcut. Sige. Sige pare, shortcut na.
Yeah, man, kakauwi ko lang. And I think I need to end this vlog na for day kasi I think I captured naman na most of my special moments with my friends and with my family, having and spending quality time with them. Tsaka, wala na akong gagawin. Pero I need to edit all of my raw videos that I've took earlier. I think isang oras ka na naman siya i-edit. But yeah, we need to end this right now. And I hope you enjoyed watching about my day. And I will upload soon more self-contents like this.